Here we are on Wall Street. Wall Street. Getting the snow cleared off. It's Federal Hall there. It's the church, Trinity Church. And here's the stock exchange coming up. There's a stock exchange, New York Stock Exchange. And there's always a lot of tourists right here. Lots of tourists. And yeah, that's what we're looking at on Wall Street towards the East River. East River. And that's George Washington. And this is apparently where he gave his inaugural speech back in the day. When he became president. And that's Trinity Church, which I already showed you. And I'm walking a little bit here. And then look down this way. And yeah, I don't know. There you go.